Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Metamask. So in order to sell crypto on Metamask, it's very simple. Make sure to stick with us till the end, follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with the selling process, make sure that your account is verified. Along with that, you have enough funds or coin. Now then, to begin with, open up or log into your Metamask account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the accounts page. Here you'll be able to find all of these tools. So in order to begin with the selling process, click the buy and sell button located in the top left hand side corner. As soon as you do that, next page is going to ask you to tap the trade button located right at the bottom and click the buy button in order to continue the procedure. Now you have to enter in the reason or the current location and click the continue button as soon as you're done selecting. So after you're done selecting your reason, you'll be asked to select what cryptocurrency or what crypto that you're selling. So you need to select the one that you're selling and enter the exact amount and click on get code located right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, you'll be taken to the summary review page where you need to go ahead and confirm all of the information. If you're sure about it, then confirm the sell button, and then you'll be notified within 24 to 48 hours that the crypto has been sold successfully. So that's basically how you can sell crypto on Metamask. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.